Are you looking incredible today? Great answer. Am I so excited to see you? Yeah. Are you ready to get into this video? Yeah. That's what I thought. Hey you, it's Kyla Lou, and today I'm gonna show you how to add a poll onto your TikTok videos so you can get to know your audience just a little bit better and increase engagement. This is not a new feature by any means. I think this came out like 3 years ago. If you do want to see some major recent updates to TikTok that I'm
absolutely shook about,
I'll make sure to link that video down below. But I didn't know adding polls to your TikTok was a thing until I saw one pop up on my For You page and I was like, what the heck is this? So if there's anyone else out there like me who didn't know that this was a thing, well, here you go. So I'm here on my TikTok account and we need to create a TikTok. So I'm going to click on the plus sign in the bottom center. And now I can record a TikTok or I can upload a video. So I actually think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna click on upload. And here I have this really cute coffee video. So I'm going to click next and it's going to upload it. Okay, so here I have the video and I can make any necessary edits that I want. I can add text on the screen, I can add effects, filters, I can cut it or split it however I want. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to click on stickers here under the text, and then I'm going to add poll. So here I can only ask one question with 2 answers. So I'm gonna see, do you like coffee? Question mark. And then let's add a cute little coffee emoji because why not? Okay. And then what I can do is now that I've added the question in, I'm going to click on the first answer here and I can type in whatever I want. So I can do coffee drinker for life, or I can do nah, not for me. So you can type whatever you want into these answer boxes. I wonder how much you can type. Okay, so it looks like you have a limited characters. I just started typing to see how many characters I have. I don't know exactly how many characters you have for these answer buttons, but it is limited. So I'm gonna add that back in there. And then if I click on the screen here, you can see if I click and drag it around, I can add where it is on the screen. I can make it bigger or smaller. If I click on it again and click the edit button, it's going to allow me to do that. I'm not able to do any different colors or things like that for the buttons, but I can adjust where it is on the screen. So maybe let's do it up here. And then I can click next and publish my video. And to show you guys what happens when you go and publish your poll, since I just created that video, I went and found another creator's poll that already had some engagement. And you can see when viewing the poll, you can see the percentages of who clicked what answer. So that's kind of what it looks like when you post your polls. And again, this is a really great way to get to know your audience and increase the engagement on your posts. Some other examples could include if you run a business and maybe you're trying to decide what product to create, you could create a simple poll and ask your audience their opinion. Or maybe you're in a little bit of a creative rut and you're not sure what type of content to create. Yeah, I know you only have 2 answer options, but hey, it'd be awesome to get some feedback on what your audience wants to see. So there you guys go, a really short video for you guys today, but if there was anyone else out there like me who is living underneath a rock and didn't realize that you could add a poll onto your TikToks, hopefully now you understand how to do it. If you guys found any value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing. And before you go, make sure you go and check out the video that I just created on some of the biggest updates that I've seen TikTok make so far. So I'll make sure to link that down in the description below, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die.